What I'd like to show you today is a little comfort upgrade that you can have with any StarLine alarm-based security system, the E, S or B series. All of these systems support individual algorithms and programmable parameters of any complexity that you can do via FlexibleLogic. I mean that every StarLine installer will be able to program for you. This is one of the very, very simple basic ones that can be written in a few minutes, and it's compatible with pretty much any vehicle. It's a DIY keyless entry of sorts. It's very popular with people who regularly carry a lot of shopping or tradespeople carrying their tools. So if you don't have keyless entry on your car originally from the factory, as you approach the vehicle, obviously you don't want to reach for your key and press any buttons to, unlock and disarm the system, especially if you're carrying a lot of stuff. And at the same time, you don't like the standard hands-free mode that comes with every StarLine package that you can activate at any time. But if that doesn't work for you for whatever reason, if you don't like the standard hands-free, this is what you can have instead. Of course, you can also have an aftermarket keyless entry via the EC1 sensor. It's a touch sensor that's offered by StarLine. It's called EC1, but I'm sure you'll agree that this, what I'm going to show you now, it's a lot more original, and it doesn't require any physical components like relays or sensors or anything like that. It's all done digitally by FlexibleLogic. So let me show you how it works. Now the vehicle's armed and locked, fully protected, and as you come up to it with your StarLine ID tag or your smartphone, as long as the system can see either one of them and therefore identify you as the owner of the vehicle, you can do this. Give the vehicle a light tap to activate the worn away level of the shock sensor, and the vehicle unlocks and disarms without you having to press any buttons or touch sensors or anything like that. It's absolutely safe, and no one other than yourself will be able to do this, and I'll show you why. Obviously, the vehicle will not disarm or unlock if anyone other than yourself kicks it, because they don't have any form of driver ID. And for driver ID, you can use your StarLine ID tag or your personal smartphone, or both, whichever you prefer. Now, both are disabled, as you can see. The battery is out the tag, and I'm turning on Bluetooth on my phone. So the system will not identify me as the owner of the vehicle. So let's see what happens in that case. So now, if a thief comes up to your car and tries to do the same thing, kick the car, it's obviously not going to unlock since you can't see the tag or your smartphone. So let's try that. As you can see, if anyone else tries to do this, it will activate the worn away level of the shock sensor, and you'll get notification to your smartphone that a level 2 violation has taken place. And if there's a stronger impact,
alarm in alarm system mode. Shock sensor activated.
so yes, if there's a stronger impact, that's a level 1 violation. You get a full alarm, and the system will ring your phone to report a serious security breach. It will immobilize the vehicle as well, unless you acknowledge the alarm, which I haven't in this case. So the vehicle obviously remains armed and locked. Plus, as you can see now, there's a no entry sign on the app, meaning that the car can't be driven until it can identify its owner. But we won't be looking at that in this video. There's plenty of videos by StarLine partners showing what happens when a level 1 violation takes place. You can find them on social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. Use the hashtag StarLineUK. I hope you've enjoyed the DIY keyless entry, and if you'd like this or any other feature programmed for you, ask your StarLine technician, as these systems are very customizable and can be adapted to your needs and your lifestyle. There's virtually no limit as to what the system can do, and if you no longer want a particular feature, you can simply turn it off. But remember though that these are highly advanced professional products that can be obtained exclusively through a network of authorized partners. They can't be installed by someone who's not been trained and deemed suitably qualified to do so. You can find the current list of partner companies at www.starlinesystems.co.uk. If you're offered a StarLine product by a company not listed there, simply don't deal with them. Otherwise, the product will not carry any warranty and will not be eligible for any technical support or product updates. So make sure you take your business to an authorized company, one that holds a current and checkable partner ID.